Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will understand transaction operation and transaction state in DBMS. So let's start with the transaction operation. A transaction operation are commands used to control and manage the execution of a transaction. So let's start with the transaction operation. So the first operation is begin operation, which marks the start of the execution or transaction. Next, we have a read and write operation, which are usually to retrieve and modify the data. Now after completing all operation, we have end transaction to indicate the execution is completed. After that, commit transaction, which permanently save all the changes in the database. And after that, rollback, it means if any error cause, we use rollback, which cancel the transaction and restore the previous state. Now let us understand the working of this transaction. First one is the transaction begins, then it performs read and write operation. After completion, if everything is correct, it commits the changes. If an error occur, it roll back. Now let's move the transaction state. Transaction state represent different phases of a transaction during the execution. The first state is active state, where the transaction is executing and performing operation. Now next one is partially committed state, where all operations are completed but not yet saved permanently. Then comes committed state, where the transaction is successfully completed and changes are stored permanently. Then if any error occurs, the transaction enter failed state, where it cannot proceed further. After fail, rollback is performed. Finally, we have transaction enter terminated state, where it ends and release resources. Now let us understand the flow. Transaction start is in active state, then move to the partially committed. If successful, it goes to the committed. If error occur, it goes to the fail, then rollback happens. Finally, it reaches to the terminated state. So like that, you have to write with the example along with the definition and with the flow of the working. So in the final conclusion, we can say that transaction operation control execution and transaction state represent different phases of the transaction. Like that, you have to write in the examination to get the full marks. If you want this note, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.